Welcome back everybody. It's Thursday today. So for Thursday's maths lesson, shall we start with a little bit of counting? Are you ready to join in with me? Here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, well done for keeping up. Now, let's have a go at doing our tennis counting. And today, it's your turn to start. So, what number do you need to start with? Hopefully you said 0. Okay, I know I'm not there, so I couldn't hear you shouting at me, but hopefully you said 0. So you start with 0, and then I'll say 1. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. We made it. Well done. Okay, here we go. Let's crack on with thinking about 1 more than 4. So 1 more than 4 is, hopefully you said 5. Let's check. There's the number 5. Okay, 1 more than 3. What's 1 more than 3? Here it is. There's 1 more, and the answer is 4. Okay, there we are. Let's check with this next one. Here's 2, and 1 more than 2 is 3. Here we are. And there's the number 3. Now, I want you to look really closely at the shape that's coming up next. I want you to think about what the name of the shape is. And can you tell me something about it as well? Okay, it's only going to be on the screen very quickly, so you've got to watch carefully. Here it is. Oh, and it's gone. What was the shape? I'm going to be generous. I'm going to show you the shape again, and it's gone. The name of that shape is a triangle. It was a triangle. Let's have a look at it. What do you know about a triangle? It's got 3 straight sides, hasn't it? And on this triangle, none of the sides are the same length. They don't have to be the same. All right. How many corners does it have? 3 corners. Triangles have 3 corners. Are you ready for the next shape? Here we go. Watching, because it's not going to be on the screen for long. Here it is, and oh, it's gone. And again, and it's gone. What was the name of that shape? It looked a bit strange because it was like that, wasn't it? It was on a diagonal. The name of that shape was a, did you say rectangle? Or did you say oblong? Because you could say both, couldn't you? Lots of people call this a rectangle shape. At school, we try to call it an oblong as well, don't we? Because squares, they're special types of rectangles. This oblong, though, is a long shape, and that's how I remember. Can you remember? It's got 2 short sides, and they're opposite each other, aren't they? And it's also got 2 long sides, and they're opposite each other as well. 2 short and 2 long. How many corners does it have, though? It's got 4 corners, hasn't it? Right, here's the last shape. Are you ready for this one? Won't be there for long. and it's gone. There it is again, and it's gone. The name of that shape is a circle. If you said circle, well done. How many corners does it have? I can't see any corners. There are no pointy bits, are there? This is a circle with no corners. How many sides does it have though? It's got one curved side that goes around and around. It never starts and it never stops. Here we go. Now, how many on this 5 frame? Let me move over here a bit. There are 3 on the 5 frame. Remember, we're trying to get really good at recognising, at subitizing how many are on the 5 frame. How many on this one? There are 5, and we know that because there are no spaces at all. Next one, how many? There are 2. 2 on this 5 frame. How many? Oh, that's all of them. We're going to think about making 4 now, because this is the 4 Numicon piece, isn't it? And if I start with 2, how many more do I need to make 4? 2 and 2. 2 and 2, that makes 4. Now, another way that I could do it, here we are. If I have 3, what do I need to make it 4? Did you say 1? There it is. 3 and 1, that makes 4. And this time I've got the 5. And I'm going to start with the 3. So if I have the 3, what else do I need to make it up to 5? I've got 3 and 2. 3 and 2, that makes 5. And let's have one more. Here we go. I'm starting with the number 1 at the top. What do I need now? 1 and what make 5? What shape would I put on there? The 4. 1 and 4, that makes 5. Now, yesterday, can you remember we were thinking about capacity, and that's how many things you can fit in, wasn't it? So I've got a cardboard box here. All right, at the moment, it's an empty cardboard box. So have I got something in there or not? If it's empty, there's nothing in there. So I'm going to start to fill my box up. Here we are. So the first one, I've got a teddy. Will the teddy fit inside my box? What do you think? Yes, it will, Mr Hughes. No, it won't fit in. What do you think? Let's have a look. Yes, the teddy fits inside the box. Let's have a look into another object. Here we are. Ooh, got a flash green car. Will this green car fit inside the box? Yes, it will, Miss Hughes. No, it won't. What do you think? Let's have a look. Oh dear. No, it doesn't fit inside the box this time. Oh, never mind. Right, let's find out what we've got next. We've got, a toothbrush. Let's see if the toothbrush will fit inside the box. What do you think? Yes, it will. No, it won't. What do you think? Let's see. Yes, the toothbrush fits inside the box. Okay. There we are. I've got one last thing. A tin of baked beans. Will this tin of baked beans fit inside my box? Yes, it will. No, it won't. What do you think? Let's see. Here we are. And down it goes. Yes, it fits inside the box. Okay, so we were filling the box up with some different things, and that is a job that I want you to try and do now. Here we are. What I'd like you to try and do, if you can you find a small box somewhere in your house? You might have some in your recycling box. Okay, so it might be one of those tiny little boxes of cereal. All right, or you might have a matchbox somewhere. If not, you might be able to find another small box somewhere in the house. And your job, I want you to see how many things can you fit inside your box, all right? And I want to know what sort of things you might fit in there. I've given you some ideas to start with. Will a paperclip fit inside your box? Maybe a tea bag. Can you fit a tea bag inside the box? I've got a shiny silver, a copper coin. It's the 2p piece. Will that fit inside your box? Maybe a brick of Lego. You might be able to fit that inside your box. And a marble as well. And I wonder if you can find anything else inside your house to fit inside your box. I'm going to give you a bit of a challenge. If you can get 10 things to fit inside a small box, then I might be able to give out some dojos, even when you're not at school. You'll have to let me know though. You'll have to send me an email with a photograph, all right? Or you could send a tweet as well, all right? And I might even give out some more dojos for the person who's got the most inside their box. But remember, we want it a small box if possible. Do you think you can do that? I think you'll be brilliant at it. Let me know what different things you put inside, okay? And make sure you've got a grown-up helping you as well, okay? Because I don't want you putting anything in that might be a little bit dangerous. So just be really careful. All right, that's the end of today's lesson, but you've got that job that you can go and do now, all right? Let me know how you get on, and I'll see you for tomorrow's lesson. Take care, everyone. Bye.